Take the next problem. We have completed the problem of Prasanna, I think. Last problem. Prasanna problem agida nodi. Next one. X is employed. X is employed. X is employed by X Limited, or write XYZ Limited, X is employed by XYZ Limited at Delhi on the following terms. First one, basic salary 20,000 per month. Second one, DA Dearness Alliance, DA 30% of basic salary, write in brackets 60% forms, 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 part of salary, close the bracket. Next one, house rent allowance 8,000 per month. Next one, rent paid by X rupees 11,600 per month. While calculating the exempted amount of HRA, we are taking the least of the three. First one is actual HRA received. Here they have given actual HRA is 8,000 per month. So 8,000 into 12. Don't write now. Then second one is excess of rent paid over 10% of salary, means rent paid minus 10% of salary. To find out 10% of salary, at first we have to see what is the salary, what is the amount of salary here. Then next one, 50% of salary or 40% of salary. His house is at Delhi, so we have to take 50% of salary. So here also we need the amount of salary. So at first we have to calculate the salary, what salary means here, because here DA is also there. They have given 60% forms part of salary. I have told you DA, here salary means basic salary plus DA entering into retirement benefits or DP plus fixed commission on turnover. For HRA purpose, salary means basic salary plus DP or DA entering into retirement benefits plus fixed commission on turnover. Here 60% forms part of salary. See there, DA 30% of basic salary. In that 60% forms part of salary, means 60% of the DA is entering into retirement benefits. That should be taken. So here salary means, at first you take the heading computation of taxable. They have asked for taxable amount. Computation of taxable amount of HRA. HRA, or house rent allowance, HRA. Here take down salary is equal to basic salary plus DA entering into retirement benefits. In this problem there is no commission. Basic salary plus DA entering into retirement benefits. What is the basic salary here? What is the basic salary? 20,000 per month, means 20,000 into 12. This is the basic salary plus DA entering into retirement benefits. What is the DA here? 30% of basic salary. Basic salary is equal to 20,000 into 12. Basic salary is 20,000 into 12. In that 30% is DA. Is it clear? 30% is DA. In that 30%, 60% forms part of salary. So into 60 by 100. Is it clear? Is it clear? Here DA means 30% of salary. Out of that 30% DA, 60% forms part of salary. That should be taken for the purpose of calculation of exempted HRA. Is equal to 2,40,000 plus, what is this amount? 2,40,000 into 30% into 60%. 43,200. So for the purpose of calculation of HRA, here salary means 2,83,200. 2,83,200. Is it clear? Now we have to take the formula. Least of the following three is exempt. Barkondya? Least of the following three is exempt. Least of the following three is exempt. First one, actual HRA received. Actual HRA received. Here HRA means salary into 30%, isn't it? 20,000 is the salary into 12, annual salary into 30%. Sorry. What is the HRA here? 8,000 per month. 8,000 into 12 is the HRA, isn't it? What is the amount? 96,000 is the HRA. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ ಆ್ಯನಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಂಟು 12. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಓವರ್ 10% ಆಫ್ salary means rent paid minus 10% of salary. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary is equal to rent paid minus 10% of salary. What is the rent paid here? 11,600. 600 into 12 minus 10% of salary. 10% of the salary calculated there. 2 lakh 83,200 means is equal to 1 lakh 200 minus 28,320 is equal to 1,39,200 minus 29,320 is equal to 1,10,880. Rent paid is 1,39,200. 10% of salary is 28,320. Rent paid minus 10% of salary is equal to 1,10,880. Sarina? Third one. 50% of salary is equal to 2,83,200 into 50 by 100. Here 50% because the house is at Delhi metropolitan city. So 2,83,200 into 50 by 100. 1,41,600. 1,41,600. Least of the above three. Least of the above three. Take down there. Least of the above three. Least of the above three. Write down least of the above three. That is rupees 96,000 is exempt. Least of the above three. That is rupees 96,000 is exempt. Taxable HRA is equal to actual HRA received minus exempted HRA. Actual HRA received minus exempted HRA is equal to 96,000 minus 96,000. 96,000 minus 96,000 is equal to nil. Next problem. Mr. X is employed in A Limited at Amritsar on the following terms. First one, basic salary rupees 40,000 per month. Basic salary rupees 40,000 per month. DA rupees, second one, DA rupees 32,000 per month. 32,000 per month. Write in brackets forms part of salary. Third one, house rent allowance 24,000 per month. Fourth one, rent paid by X rupees 7,600 per month. Rupees 7,600 per month. Calculate the taxable amount of house rent allowance for the assessment year 2020-21. Take down, write the heading computation of or calculation of HRA, sorry, taxable HRA for the assessment year 2020-21. See the problem. Basic salary rupees 40,000 per month. So 40,000 into 12 is the annual salary. Next, DA rupees 32,000 per month. 32,000 into 12. It forms the part of salary, means entire DA should be taken into account while calculating salary for the purpose of HRA. For the purpose of calculation of HRA, entire amount of DA, that is 32,000 per month, should be taken. They have given in the brackets, forms part of salary. So entire DA should be taken. In the previous problem we have taken only 60% of DA, because there they have given that only 60% forms part of salary. But here they have simply given that forms part of salary. So this should be added with the salary, basic salary. Then house rent allowance 24,000 per month. 24,000 into 12. Rent paid by X rupees 7,600 per month. 7,600 into 12. So at first we have to calculate the salary. Salary is equal to, here basic salary plus DA entering into retirement benefits. DA entering into retirement benefits. Here salary means basic salary plus DA entering into retirement benefits. What is the basic salary? 40,000 into 12. 40,000 into 12 is equal to 40,000 into 12 plus DA. What is the DA? 32,000 into 12 is equal to 4,80,000 plus 3,84,000 is equal to 8,64,000 is the salary for the purpose of calculating HRA. 8,64,000 is the salary for the purpose of calculating HRA. Here we have taken entire DA for the purpose of salary. Then let us come to our formula. Least of the following three is exempt. 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 First one, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ. Actual HRA received. Actual HRA received. How much? 24,000 into 12. 2,88,000. Actual HRA received is 24,000 into 12 is equal to the outer column 2,88,000. 2,88,000. Is it over? 2,88,000. Second one. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary means rent paid minus 10% of salary. Rent paid minus 10% of salary is equal to, what is the rent paid? 7,600 into 12 is the rent paid minus 10% of salary means, what is the salary? 8,64,000 is the salary. So 7,600 into 91,200. 7,600 into 12 is equal to 91,200 minus 10% of 86,400. 91,200 minus 86,000, 4,800. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary is 4,800. Now the next one, whether we have to take 40% of the salary or 50% of salary. Why it is for 40%? House is not in metropolitan city. House is at Amritsar. So we have to take 40% of salary. 40% of salary. That is 40% of 40% of 8,64,000. 3,45,600. 3,45,600. 3,45,600. Least of the above three. Least of the above three, that is rupees 4,800 is exempt. Least of the above three, that is rupees 4,800 is exempt. Taxable HRA is equal to taxable HRA is equal to actual HRA minus exempted HRA. Actual HRA minus exempted HRA is equal to 2,88,000 minus 4,800. 2,88,000 minus 4,800 is equal to 2,83,200. 2,83,200 is the taxable HRA. Is it clear? ఇంత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్